I'm at Gold Dust, and I want to make this fast. It'll be 2-3 minutes here at Gold Dust. I said, oh Jesus. That's what I said, because when you go 9 steps and you begin your look and you find something great, well, then I don't know if you should just go home or you keep building thinking something else is going to happen, right? So I at least got to go at least 20 steps down here, turn around and go back up. I do not know if that's an indication that the day is going to be great. Have you ever found there's an awesome artifact up there? And I found a bunch, a handful that are just incredible. Just, I think it was, I don't know, yesterday or whatever, that need to be seen. But the type of dirt you're seeing is, if you're not familiar with this kind of farming, is tobacco that's been harvested, and then they flip it once, throw seed, some type of cover seed, and leave it like this until I think they'll return to disc it. Something a little different that they're thinking about. Usually they disc it and then throw this cover crop on there, but I'm sure agriculture continues to move through ideas. You guys know that, and I love agriculture. Without it, I wouldn't probably be an artifact collector at all. So I want to show you what happened up here. Caveat is that, number one, whatever way you want to cut it, whether you want to agree or not, God is faithful. Always. If something should be sideways or not right, it is not him that is not faithful. And that includes tragedy in our lives. And that's a hard, deep fact anyway. Here's some footprints in their mind, and we're going right down here, and I was just starting, right? And I was walking right here, and I just looked, and I said, wow, the sun is rising, and this is just sitting right here to start my day. That's rhyolite. 2 inches. Mercy, I said. That's, I guess, a nice way to start the day. I don't know if the tip is broken or not. But look at this. Look at that quartz material. And then just incredible stuff. I could not get this on. This is a sugar quartz. Oh my word. Gave me another extra 1/8 of an inch. It's almost got a Yuma base. God have mercy on me. We all need it, don't we? I suppose some folks think they don't, but we're going to try to be a blessing to somebody today, aren't you? I'd say we should. Hope you find out there.